What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in free cash reward, Mumu is going to give you all of those freebies when you open a new mumu brokerage account. You put $100 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks plus the $30 cash reward. If you put $1,000 in your new brokerage account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks plus the $30 reward. This is a limited time offer, guys, so don't delay. Act today. Get down in the description box and click on the Mumu link. Open up the Mumu account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. And if you need to learn how to use the brokerage app, just send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Let me know you've opened the Mumu account. Let me know you funded it. And I'm going to send you 2 Mumu tutorial videos to walk you through how to use their brokerage app so you can collapse time frames and start buying big boy blue chip paper assets to build your wealth. The stock market, will it pull back before the election? Sure, that could happen. I've often told you guys we're in a continuous bull market, but inside that continuous bull market, we have periods of correction and consolidation. S&P 500 rises to end 3-day losing run, lifted by surge in Tesla. Tesla did quite well today. The S&P 500 bounced back on Thursday, posting its first positive day in a week that has been beset by higher rates. The S&P 500 added 0.21% to close at 5,809.86 and snapped a 3-day run of losses. The NASDAQ composite jumped 0.76% and closed at 18,415.49. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 140.59 points, or 0.33%, to end at 42,374.36. The blue chip index notched a 4-day losing streak, its first since June. Tesla was the best performing stock in the broad market index. The electric vehicle manufacturer surged nearly 22% after posting third quarter results that beat analyst expectations, registering its best day since 2013, guys. Wow. Millennia Healthcare gained 17.7% on better than expected earnings and revenue. Whirlpool and UPS also jumped after posting results. Tesla, 22% gain. And believe it or not, guys, they missed on revenue, but they beat on profit. Plus, their outlook for, I believe, Q4 was really good. So that propelled the stock higher. Dogging the Dow was IBM, which fell more than 6% as the company's consulting revenue narrowly missed analyst estimates. Boeing slipped 1.2% after its machinists rejected a new labor contract. They got some problem with their labor union. So they're trying to work that out. Hopefully they work it out, or the stock continues to drop, in my opinion. Roughly 160 S&P 500 companies have posted quarterly results so far, but their earnings growth has been underwhelming, according to whose standard? Probably Wall Street aliens. The blended growth rate, which tracks reports that have already come out and estimates for those set to report indicates an overall S&P 500 earnings growth rate of 3.4% from the year earlier period, according to FactSet. That result came up short of analyst projections. Of course, it's always about what analysts think companies should do. They don't run the companies, but they give their opinion on this is what you should do. And when they don't do that, of course, the stock price takes a hit. Treasury yields moved lower, easing from 3-month highs reached in the previous session. The 10-year Treasury yield topped the 4.25 threshold on Wednesday at the high of the session. The pressure on the market has been from the rate side. This is coming from senior investment strategists at U.S. Bank Asset Management. That's really what has dampened equity market enthusiasm, and you haven't had big enough earnings news yet to drive the market to a new high. We're also not seeing as broad a momentum as we were seeing. Stocks are coming off a losing session, with the Dow suffering its biggest one-day drop since early December, falling more than 400 points on Wednesday. The S&P shed nearly 1% and the NASDAQ 1.6%. So there is some pessimism out there, guys, but I look at that as an opportunity to buy the dip if the dip presents itself. What I would be focused on is, what is my long-term plan? And does that require that I continue to dollar cost average into these big boy blue chip paper assets no matter what the market does? I buy low through DCA for the next 10 years, and then when it's time to sell 10 years plus, I should have a real nice profit. At least that's what I've gotten over the last 30 years with that strategy. You may have to use a different strategy. I don't know. I'm not your financial advisor, just a guy on YouTube. But one thing I will tell you, you better come up with some type of strategy. Because over these next 5 months, and I'm talking about November, December, January, March, and April, excluding February, those 5 months, historically over the last 60 years, have been the best 5 months in the stock market. So don't miss this opportunity, even though at the tail end of October, things are looking like a little dip season. Don't miss November, December, January, March, and April, guys. Those are your 5 power months. You better put yourself in position to take advantage of it. If you want up to 15 free stocks and $30 worth of free cash reward, get down in the description box and click on the mumu link and open up that mumu account. Guys, they're going to give you 5 free stocks when you put $100 in your account, plus the $30 cash reward. If you put $1,000 in your account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks, publicly traded companies, plus the $30 cash reward. Don't miss this opportunity, guys, to build wealth. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. www.richardfang.net. That's my website, guys. Over 400,000 of you guys have already went and checked out the new website. And I want to say thank you. On that website, I got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that can help you collapse time frames and get to your pot of gold. Guys, go check them out. Thousands of you guys have already checked them out. So please go check them out. Do yourself a favor. It'll collapse time frames and get you to your pot of gold faster, guys. While you're there in the website, consider joining the Wealth Builders, the fastest growing financial community on Patreon, guys. Listen. In that community, we got 1,000 wealth builders in 5 months. And all we do is help each other build wealth through golden nuggets, tips, best practices, what's working, what's not working, and just overall community, right? People going in one direction, trying to help each other get there. If you want to be a part of that community, guys, hit that membership button or that join button in the website and come on over to the Patreon side and join the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.